Alright, today we're going to continue working with the magic E. So we're going to place the magic E to the end of each word, and then we'll decide if the new word is a real word or a nonsense word. And then we're going to type those words in the correct boxes on the right hand side. So the first thing I'll do is I'm just going to drag one of these E's over here. And at first it was Tom, but with my magic E now it's tome. And tome is a nonsense word, so I will type tome here. Okay, now my second word. I'm going to drag another E over here. Let's see if I can get it better. Yeah, let's scoot it over a little. Okay, so my word was can, an, and now with my magic E at the end, it's ain, cane. Cane is a real word. So I'm going to type that here. Alright, so those first two are done for you. So go ahead and continue it out. Alright, good luck.